You wanna step down there? Here, come here.
Tuwan-tuwa siya. Alam niya pag ikakabit na yung shoes niya. Hi, madam!
What, babe?
Can you say egg? Can you say kiwi?
Wee
Oh, wee. Can you say balloon? Balloon. Balloon. Say mama.
Mama.
How do you pray? There you go. How do you wash your hands? There you go. Eat.
Are you hungry? You wanna eat?
Eat.
Eat. And toes.
Good morning,
Eyes
guys.
and ears and mouth and nose. Head,
Nag-camping kami ulit.
shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes.
You say hi, guys.
Say hi, Abby.
Hi. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Ala, she have 4 front teeth ng upper and the
Yeah.
upper part. Wow.
That's why she's drooling a lot.
Mumula ka. You're blushing. Ulit nito. Ulit. Dito kami nag-camping. Tapos may mag-offroading kami. Offroading. What are you doing? Keychain na naman. Ayan yung keychain na ginagawa ko, guys. Nagti-3D print kami. So, if you want, kung gusto nyo magpa-customize, nagko-customize kami, guys. Ilalagay ko na lang yung website namin sa description box. Papakita ko pa yung iba kasi yung kay Ellie nandito. Can you show me the, Ellie's bag? The keychain. My husband will show you guys. Oh, yeah, right there.
Ooh.
Eliana. Ayan yung ginawa ko kay Ellie. Diba?
She goes right for the SNACK.
Yep.
Oh, no.
Ginawa ko siyang
Oh, no.
makapal kasi gusto ko medyo makapal. Kaya yan. Diba? What are you doing? Nakita niya yung pagkain niyo. Eliana.
We could start getting things packed up.
Ellie. Umpis niyo. Ang dal-dal na talaga nito.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Where's her shoes? Here, you wanna step down there? Here, come here.
Tuwan-tuwa siya. Alam niya pag ikakabit na yung shoes niya. Ibig sabihin, maglalakad na siya.
What's going on here with this? This is... Shoes. Look.
Little Travis, Big Travis.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. 1, stretchy, stretchy, stretch. Foot goes in. Huh, Ellie? Foot goes in. We're gonna help it. Here, look. Okay, and now you're up.
Ellie.
Wow. Wow.
Mm.
Wow.
Hi.
Is that the boogers in there? Oh, I'm gonna get those boogers. I'm gonna
He's
get
gonna
those
hate that.
boogers.
Hi.
I'm gonna get those boogers,
Hi.
Ellie. I'm gonna get them. Yeah, you're gonna cry.
Oh, she's saying shoes.
Ellie,
Shoes.
what is this?
What is that?
Ellie,
Shoes.
Ellie, what's this?
Can you say
What's
shoes?
this?
Shoes.
Shoes. Daddy shoes.
Wow. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Daddy shoes.
Alright, guys. Magliligpit na kami para mamaya. Para mamaya mag-offroading na kami. And then mamaya camping ulit kami for tonight. Kasi pumunta kami dito ng Friday night. And then today is Saturday. Yan pala yung gusto niya kunin, no? Oh. Galing ah. Yan ang isa naming friend. Nahanap niya kami. And dito kami nag-camp. Dami nag-camping dito, guys. Dun sa loob, ang dami.
You got your GMR, huh? Mine? I
Oh yeah.
Nililigpit na namin. Hi! Say hi to Auntie Jen. Oh, say hi to Auntie Jen. Right there. There you go. Hi! Hi!
Careful, babe.
Okay. Hi!
A few moments later.
Hi, Madam!
What, babe?
So, tapos na kami mag-off-roading. Ay, mag-off-roading. Yeah, mag-ano. Tapos kakain kami dito. Nag-stop kami. Wow! Look at you! Look at you! Wow! No, Ellie, no! Napakaba mo naman ako. Alright guys, dito kami kakain and yun ang pagkain namin. Binauna ko si Ellie ng sweet potato tsaka kiwi. Kinain mo na agad? Nubo na sa bunganga niya yung kiwi. Look, she put the whole thing in her mouth. Oh my goodness, Ellie.
Where's the towel?
It's in the back seat. Hindi siya makababa kasi mataas tsaka natatakot siya.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, let's eat, guys. Naghanap na kami ng camping site,
That was a good snack.
guys. Pero tingnan nyo, ang ganda nito, oh. Ang ganda ng parang lake. Ng lake. Kasi medyo hapon-hapon na. Para maka-dinner na rin kami. Si Ellie tulog sa likod. Asaway.
That's your seatbelt.
Huh?
That's your seatbelt monitor.
Grabe talaga trip nila, guys. Ito talaga yung mga hobby nila na matatakot ka kasi lalo pag hindi ka sanay kasi yung mga sasakyan nila ang mamahal, 'di ba? Tapos iaano lang nila magagasgasan, tapos what if you broke your you broke the jeep ganon.
Well, you broke it last time I fixed
No.
it.
I didn't broke this. Kasi may mga time na maakit sila sa hindi ko na na-videoan, pero yung footage kasi ng mga off-roading namin sa channel niya. So may mga time talaga na sobrang taas, sobrang tarik ng parang hill or may mga malalaking bato. Paano yun talaga nila? Masaya sila sa ganun.
Sige.
Sumasama. Nung una, ayoko talaga ng ganito, guys. The first time, you remember, I was really scared.
You're still scared.
I'm still scared, but
You don't have to be.
no, but it depends. Because sometimes there are some obstacles that you don't really need to go, but you still want to go.
That's why you
And
challenge.
we don't-
Yup, you have to challenge yourself.
No, but the other thing is, you don't want to break your vehicle.
Nope, that's
'Cause it's
why
expensive.
That's why I'm driving.
No. You broke your fender last time.
Not my fault. My spotter.
Really? Not your fault?
Remember?
But you're the driver, huh?
I didn't break my fender. My tire broke my fender.
Oh, really?
That wasn't me.
Oh, who's driving it?
Yeah.
Who was
Well,
driving it?
It just goes to show you I need a bigger truck. Yeah.
So yun guys, pupunta na kami doon sa sa pagkakampingan namin, and Saturday ngayon ng hapon. So Saturday night dito kami matutulog, tapos Sunday kami uwi. Kaya kami pumunta dito ng Friday night para hindi kami umagahin ng biyahe kasi mas prefer namin na dito mag-camping ng Friday night, tapos kinabukasan mag wheeling. Tawag nila sa ganito, wheeling, yung off-roading ganyan sa trail. Kasi nasa trail naman na kami nag-camping kagabi. Kaya yun, pagkagising namin, nagligpit na lang, tapos yun, dito. Tapos ngayong gabi, camping ulit. Tapos bukas, uwi na. So yun guys, I'll show you our setup later, and nagdala rin ako ng biko, in order ko sa friend ko na Filipina, and nagpansit ako kaunti lang, and then meron si Travis binili na pang dinner din namin. Yung iba namin kasama, sila nakatoka sila sa, kasi may time na toka-toka kami, nakatoka sila sa may breakfast. So yun, we'll see you later. Hi guys, so na-set up na namin yung tent namin. Ang ganda ng namin, pwesto. Ano mo itong batang tong kulit, oh. Sige, malaglag ka. Binuksan namin yung bintana. Inano lang namin ginanyan para makapasok yung hangin. Kasi mainit. Pop! Pop! Ikaw, kulit ikaw ha. Ellie. Nandun sila Travis, nag-ayos.
What are you doing in there, babe?
Nothing. It's really hot today. Not super hot, but
It is hot though.
careful. Kailangan talaga bantayan to kay...
Laying down there, babe? You're not sliding too much?
Now, yeah. I think this is perfect. Unlike the other one. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Daddy? Where's Daddy? I don't think we need a blanket, but we'll see. Maybe tonight it's gonna be cold. Sige. Can you say egg? Can you say kiwi? Oh, wee. Can you say balloon? Balloon. Balloon. Say mama.
Mama.
How do you pray? There you go. How do you wash your hands? There you go. Where's your nose? Where's the no nose? That's not your nose. Where's the nose? Right here. Oh, nose. Where's the nose? Nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Okay. Ang bilis lumaki ni Ellie, guys. Grabe. 13 months na siya ngayon. Ay, noong April 1. Wow. At nakakatuwa kasi ang dami niya nang natututunan. May mga time na matutuwa ka sa mga niya. Mga bagong learning niya. Yung mga natututunan niya. Ellie. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where is he? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? And si Kinsley, andun ulit sa may friends niya at sa pet sitter. Sobrang enjoy si Kinsley doon, guys. Ang daming aso kasi. Ang daming niyang kalaro. Tulad sa bahay, wala. Sige. Sige lang. Look at her, babe. Babe.
Yeah.
Look at your daughter.
Eliana.
I hear the whistle blow. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I hear the... Galing to sumayaw eh. Boop, boop. Hi. Ho. Dali na. Hi. Ho. Hi. Ho. Tapos guys, pag natapos na sila, saka kami magkakain. Diba, Ellie? Say bye-bye. See you later. Look at me. Bye-bye. See you later.
Baba.
Ang galing ah. Ang galing talaga. Ang galing ah. Good morning guys. So, ang sarap ng tulog namin kagabi. Grabe. Dahil dire-diretso ang tulog ni Eliana. Say hi. Hi. Dire-diretso tulog nyo. Pinatulog niya talaga kami kagabi. Oh, hi. Hi. Hi guys. Hi. Hi. What is that? Sound machine. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Say good morning. Oh. So kagabi, maaga kami natulog. Siguro mga alas 9 or anong gagawa mo? Peekaboo. What are you doing? Oh. Wow, busog na ka, Daddy ah. Nagdudo ikaw? Nagdudo ang baby ko, nagdudo. Ellie, nagdudo ang baby? Ha? Nagdudo si Palangga. So, siguro mga 9, pinatulog na to ni Travis kasi umiyak siya ng kasi sobrang pagod siya kagabi. Kasi nga, syempre, all day din siyang hindi nakatulog ng ayos or nakapag-nap. Nakakapag-nap siya sa may sa may sasakyan. Pero, alam mo yun, pagising-gising, kasi nga maya-maya baba din kami ng baba, ganyan. Pero nung kagabi, tulog agad siya. Tapos, pumasok lang ako dito sa tent para padedein siya in case na magising siya. So, yun yung nangyari. Tapos, nakatulog kami ng ayos ni Travis. Siguro mga diretso yung tulog namin. Nagising lang kami ng mga madaling araw na umihi. Tapos nung nagdede to. Hi! Ganda ng gising niya kay kompleto ang tulog eh. Tapos guys, mamaya mag-ano na kami, magliligpit. Pero mag-breakfast muna kami mamaya. Dito kami kakain kasi magluluto sila ng breakfast. Tapos magka-coffee rin kami dito. Kasi may dala sila ng coffee maker. So yun, tapos kagabi nagluto ako ng pagkain namin. Kasi kami nakatoka ng dinner. Tapos sila yung sa breakfast. Sila Jen and Kevin. Kaya dito na rin kami magbe-breakfast. So bali 5 lang naman kami kasama si Ellie, 6. So yun. Good morning! Say good morning, Ellie. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ang ganda ng ngiti, Good morning. Sabi niya kanina,
Ellie.
Eat. Hey! Are you hungry? What? You wanna
Ellie,
eat?
are you hungry?
Eat.
You wanna eat?
Eat.
Eat.
Mm?
Good girl.
Galing
Do you want me to get her?
But I just breastfeed her though. She should be fine. Maybe she's just, pranking us. Are you pranking mom and dad?
No, she's an eating machine.
Yeah. Lakas lumamon to eh. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We slept good in here.
Sarap ng gising pag ganito makikita mo.
Careful, I know.
Canker sore.
That's
Hi,
very sore.
Ellie. Hey. Okay. Grabe ang lakas ng sa labas, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Lakas ng hangin. Let me see the view outside. Let me show them.
Good morning.
Ayan ang aming view sa labas. Kakahuyan. Mahangin sa labas. And hindi siya super lamig kaya maganda yung weather. Kaya hindi na kami nag-diesel heater, guys. Kasi, maganda ang weather. Maganda ang weather ngayon. Wow! 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 What is that out there? Wow! Wow! A tent. We're here in the tent. Wow! Oy, oy, oy. Wow! Wow! Alright guys, muna kami, breakfast sa labas. Hi guys! So we were planning earlier to eat breakfast dun sa campsite. Kaso hindi kami makapagluto guys kasi tawag nito, umulan ngayon. Kaya na lang kami, napagdesisyonan namin lahat na doon na lang kami sa Buc-ee's mag-stop tapos bili ng coffee. This is weird yung pababa. So, doon na lang kami magbe-breakfast. Tapos, yun, afternoon, magpapagas din. Afternoon, uuwi na kami. Nagdala talaga sila ng pang-breakfast, kaso nga lang umulan. Tapos, buti tiningnan namin yung weather kasi kung hindi namin tiningnan, yung tent namin mababasa, hindi pa namin natupi. Kaya tinupi namin agad, buti na lang talaga natupi namin bago umulan. So, yun guys, punta kami doon and afternoon, kami, magpapagasin na uuwi na. And madami rin kasi akong gagawin pagka uwi namin. Gagawin ko yung mga order. May mga nag-order sa akin na mga keychain medyo marami na yung gagawin ko ngayon. So, thankfully, may mga nag-order. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you guys for watching. Yun lang ang vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat. See you again next time. Happy Easter, everyone. Bye!
See ya.